Nothing elevates an outdoor adventure like a hot meal in the wild. These camping stoves aren't just convenient, they're built for survival, safety, and innovation. Whether you're braving harsh weather, backpacking deep into the wilderness, or preparing for emergencies, these powerful, efficient stoves deliver reliable performance. Discover the game-changing gear every camper needs for cooking confidence under any conditions. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 15, Eureka Camping Stove. For campers who value power without bulk, this ultra-compact stove is a game-changer. Running on lightweight butane, it snaps in an 8-ounce canister for an all-in-one setup. No extra attachments or bulky propane tanks needed. With an impressive 11,500 BTU burner, double-wall wind protection, simmer control, and adjustable feet, it cooks like your kitchen range. Supporting pots up to 11 inches, it's portable, stable, and perfect for effortless outdoor meals. Number 14, Jetboil Genesis. For campers who need serious cooking power in the backcountry, this 2-burner system delivers unmatched performance and convenience. It packs two 10,000 BTU burners, rapid boil times, and exceptional simmer control for everything from golden brown breakfasts to quick pasta dinners. Compact and portable, it nests a 5-liter pot and 10-inch frying pan, links with other stoves, and creates the ultimate expandable camp kitchen for any adventure. Number 13, Uniflasy Camping Stove. Turn any campsite into a chef's playground with a powerful stove delivering 20,000 BTUs for boiling, grilling, or simmering, perfect for tailgates or wilderness feasts. Its dual fuel system supports both propane and butane without adapters, offering unmatched flexibility outdoors. Complete with a griddle, frying pan, kettle, pot, and carry bag, this rust-proof, heat-resistant 8.9-pound stove is compact, durable, and adventure-ready. Number 12, MSR PocketRocket 2. Get ready to be impressed by an ultralight backpacking stove that fits in the palm of your hand yet delivers incredible cooking power. Weighing almost nothing in your pack, it screws onto a fuel canister to create a fast, powerful flame that boils water in moments. Built tough for the trail, it offers precise flame control for simmering, making it perfect for solo hikers and lightweight adventurers who refuse to compromise on hot meals. Number 11, TOAKS Alcohol Stove. Step up your backcountry cooking game with an ultralight titanium alcohol stove built for serious adventurers. Its siphon design ensures efficient, even burning, giving you reliable heat without wasted fuel. Crafted from premium titanium, it's incredibly durable, corrosion-resistant, and feather-light, perfect for backpackers counting every ounce. Compact and easy to use, it delivers dependable performance for boiling water or preparing meals wherever your outdoor adventures take you. Number 10, Camp Chef Everest 2X. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking with a powerhouse stove built for serious campers. Featuring 2 high-output burners, it delivers fast, even heat to handle everything from boiling water to gourmet camp meals. Its durable construction and built-in wind protection ensure reliable performance in rugged conditions. Compact and portable, it's perfect for fueling big adventures while keeping your camp kitchen efficient, powerful, and easy to pack. Number 9, OmniFuel Stove. Gear up for the harshest adventures with a rugged multi-fuel stove built to conquer extreme weather, high altitudes, and demanding expeditions. Its powerful 3,000-watt burner quickly melts snow, boils water, or cooks for up to 4 people using almost any fuel: gas, kerosene, diesel, or aviation fuel. With a foldable windscreen, durable stainless steel supports, and compact storage, it's the ultimate reliable companion for serious outdoor explorers. Number 8, Solo Stove Campfire. Recognized by outdoor experts and survival pros, this wood-burning camp stove delivers powerful performance without bulky fuel canisters. Its patented double-wall design ensures ultra-clean gasification and secondary combustion for efficient burning with minimal smoke. Fueled by twigs, leaves, or pine cones, it's lightweight, compact, and boils 34 ounces of water in just minutes. Perfect for fast, eco-friendly cooking on any backcountry adventure. Number 7. Vargo Converter Stove. Transform your campfire setup into a multi-fuel powerhouse with a clever titanium converter stove. Its simple drop-in design doubles as an efficient windscreen, perfectly spacing your cookware for optimal heat. Burn alcohol fuel tabs or gels with ease. Just flip to switch modes. Faster cooking, soot-free pots, and a folding stand for compact packing make it a versatile standalone option for any adventure. Number 6. Coleman Classic. Discover a compact camping stove that combines simplicity with impressive performance, making outdoor cooking effortless. Powered by butane, it's lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for quick trips or extended adventures. Its powerful burner delivers fast, reliable heat, while the adjustable flame control ensures precision for everything from boiling water to simmering meals. Built for convenience and portability, it's a must-have for campers who value efficiency without added bulk. Number 5. The Frontier Plus. Elevate your outdoor adventures with a powerful portable wood-burning stove built for camping, backyard cooking, or even cozy setups in tents, cabins, and teepees. Its upgraded design offers easy, efficient cooking, ideal for both seasoned explorers and first-time users. With 5 flue pieces, a spark arrestor, and durable construction, it delivers warmth, versatility, and reliable performance wherever your journey takes you. Always pair with a carbon monoxide alarm in enclosed spaces. Number 4. Gas 1 Butane Stove. Imagine a compact stove that adapts to any adventure with dual fuel capability, propane for high-output cooking, or butane for lightweight portability. Its powerful, consistent heat handles everything from rapid boils to delicate simmers, perfect for camping, emergencies, or backyard meals. Durable, versatile, and efficient, it's a reliable cooking companion that brings flexibility, speed, and performance to every outdoor experience. Number 3. Firebox Foldable Stove. Get ready for next-level campfire cooking with a rugged stove built for versatility and power. With a detachable ash pan, fire sticks that double as skewers, and multiple fueling methods, including the Swedish torch technique for over an hour of hands-free cooking, you'll have endless setup options. Its stainless steel build, hinged damper for maximum BTU output, and smart design ensure fast boils, minimal warping, and effortless use on any adventure. Number 2. Dual Fuel Portable Stove. Turn any outdoor spot into a reliable kitchen with a dual fuel camp stove built for versatility and safety. Compatible with both butane and propane, it switches fuels effortlessly with an included adapter, ensuring flexible cooking wherever you are. A built-in automatic gas shutoff, simple PSO ignition, and compact travel-ready design make it perfect for camping, hiking, tailgating, or emergency prep, delivering dependable heat and hassle-free performance every time. Number 1. Odaland Cookware Kit. Turn every outdoor meal into an adventure with this 9-piece camping cookware kit. It includes a compact mini stove, 2 non-stick pots, utensils, a stainless steel cup with silicone protector, and 2 carry bags. Built from durable, non-toxic anodized aluminum, it's lightweight, quick heating, and space-saving with foldable handles. Perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, or picnics. Everything you need for effortless cooking on the go. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.